Abuja, or see, as a dear NDC for the fame, and Yasen Ketua. Now, Tikra, Ukran, Warebe Amano, because time now, or year campaign. Now, or be a number, sometimes a big cry to me, Banny, or say, or man, full scar, now, Omu Kose, no Muniska, or some tofu, and the other, or your master, and your manina. But a near buying a bapa one, or no one prison, a man position be. But or no on the restaurants are juma inti anka say on betuma and I say nkofona on so wadada more on betu abama NDC for na wa promise you say NDC aba be mo obema o mejuma no san nkofo nyina tatan every day every blessed day abusiafo enye me na meka ono ani nsem my nko na nko te nsem a Mzbel eka efa the current government na yembra na yeba ye wetu aso Sepri.
Be say, NDC bar, obey say I'm one.
Promise him.
And then
because Mr. promise him.
You promise you?
Yes, Mr. promise him. Long John crash and I'm on come promise him.
I promise you more than.
We promise him with Juma.
Ejuma.
Yeah, so I buy any bad power definitely. Baby, I'll pay so caution. You bet me the one show. And in yet because only a big the people who rally behind me to campaign for NDC do na kita degrees. Ah, omonimo say Mzbel de na no do ekyire. Mzbel de onimo mpanyimfo. Enti say ye boa no na say or ye campaign at least obetimi de anim akwa ma yanya edwuma bi aye.
Okay.
Yeah, so I promise them.
Okay. Now aban ne ba so no promises are the bomb no. Where this so?
Bra, there be o. Menyandi so. Because me say me no see for call form say me boot no for brown envelope any and call for applications and but me the copy I see I go so to Tonyama and me train to Tonyama na so mo to 2 year me dey obi ahye baby then I'll have my peace of mind but me no kasa say there me do bibia say
it's a man form to pressure also.
Oh yeah, big time. Emma one time cry me by social media be can once Emma will be crying nyada ajre sending me message the demon time you are dragging the party's name in the mud. Blah 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 blah. Yes, I say in NDC na you know rolling celebration. Emma you na mo ba na nsen ye omanya mpanyimfo bi de mo ho abata omo no omo po mo ho drive car kese and they feel say you troublemaker and blah blah blah. So you don't have the right to say. But pressure damn so. And now some get what. I thought they be crabby no bomb quiet some mom ska. It's not that easy. Me am telling you, and can't arrange me.
Wow.
Me and Casacram Macaco lobby for a new maybe because I have a restaurant here, Adriani. Me say I buy a new maybe wa and restaurants a year you make supply mamma cock with the experience of me. Obi any part no make say penny be no make catch them say minimum. I know everybody
in the party.
Oh yeah, penny form what party me minimum. Me will be a number party campaign time will be me communicate come so some so sometimes give us fuel and this to go here but here no we send a message be na why you know be kasa in a way that so yeah. Wow, di mechiko campaign bia officer makoji bibia cha me ho ami.
No point.
Mesra wo tie mi aya ma mi foko. Yet
yes, see a wugina wo na so wa kwasa kwa na papa bi da.
Me say yet tia me. Me fight mo ma yet tia me.
Yet tia am say.
Oh yet tia me na da bi you have to we know say sa na wo tie bla bla but campaign time they didn't know say sa na me tie. Edwuma na me bisa me
Abusia, eti Mzbel na ya kote ne kan no. Abusia. Muma yenko na ehwe video na Mzbel di ne ba eko school Achimota Senior High. Na adwum no because o see na obotin nsem bebre sei free SHS no enye no kore. Na ono ankasa koye no obe testify and after obeye sa video we no eno na NDC for a friend say, "Oh, yeah, NDC ni na na wo Dr. Mabudu ba me na na do akwa kufa do abaso. Say o ma ya de pa. Aden ano e na o sa dane no hu. E na be si mu abuzi amman kontie insema o ka fa fresh chess ho membra. E ba e be to aso.
I am very glad to announce to you, sir, we are coming from Achimota Senior High School. And Bibia course Bibia like Oracle free SHS no. Yeah, I am. Idevi Ankasa. Aha. But you know, Akaniaka. Ya bompa senya me seni na ebe dem. Ebe mu. Baako sana enyi enhihye no koye no. Ma confirm me baako. Free SHS no. Say man jendi. Oh, because now me the two radio soon and some will be, you know. So when I was going media, I passed by the bank and took my money. I didn't want any long talk with you because me I'm more hindered that, you know. So I took my money, put it in my bag, ready to go and face what's waiting for me at Achimota Senior High. I feel a quiet, sit table one, ya quiet table two, yeah. And I heard someone asking, are we supposed to buy books and uniform and blah 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 and blah blah blah? And then the response was, oh no, government has paid for government has paid for everything. So just go and get ready and come to come like like Charlie, is true. They said government has paid for everything. No, they tell books with school uniform, school uniform, just admission fee. Just everything is free. Prospectus na demand. The things we are going to buy are things that like you usually take to school after paying everything. So is there any provisions, any mattress, any enough for, but at least I take kind of so. And Nana say, okay, how are you? And Nana, yeah, that's yo. One district, one dam was the one patron. I must why a becca. A bounce so a bow passo. Can I hear yin yin in my pay? It's a damn speaking tree. I'm prophesying in tree. Madonna something at once. Oh, I can't cry. Bitches are becoming believers, you know? And I see an amassima no de call Achimota High School. Say, me corners almost been to your day. Mecca, but if I grown to change, you know, say, yeah.
One condemning policy for so long, and then they all say, "Whoa!" and how they buy. Now, ye pekandini bi wagana, ye pe obi a otumi sisa na no. And they say, what should I say? We want people who tell only one truth, not two truths. They never two truths in this world. There's just one truth. Tell that one truth and stand by it. And only empire. But somebody tell me no flip, flop, flop, flip, flip, flop, flop, flip. When you can be near Ghana, we want somebody who is firm, who knows where he's taking the country, and who will take the country down that road. Free Seniors High School achieve.
Chef, I see we Kennedy name Baumia. Why not that woman?
So young farmer Baumia.
I didn't hear.
Was Baumia was experienced the Kennedy. Baumia Wabaya Mampenia Bedi Trita. Kennedy Wanye, Mampenia Bedi, and some say, Mampeni Kofo, One Ali Mahama, a buy. What more the insolence by a free. Me ma me wo munyi na free. And about me also near Kufado buy and so. Omudi free education buy. Me man na omunyi also nya free. It is Mampeni Abedi to near to Abama Ebabuay. Aye, Ebabuay. There was the Ghana card the Aba. And number me any Kufado so and a Saka Ghana card. And the Ghana card the clock to me the Quajabesia. As I had the free phone. Until womb pay when I walk at the check it right. I see a demand who calls Bomiana were experience. Unya Mampeni Abedi Chira, Akunya won't be Libida, Sunset, Yabra, said John Mahama, where Mampeni Abedi Chire, and son Obenya Kunyani Biedi, into Kennedy Mesro, Jama Bomia, and Seusika, and Seusika. Because of the bless of power.
And Chebia, my baby school, not that you swap so nice. Now, my papa, now my papa, not oh, I've never mount go contact. No more. No, I don't feel as well too. Who got the bone? What could do? Me baby is 1 cup. Them paddy pole. 25 cities. Hey, Kukurutu or some Anna, Chinia, so Chinia, Chinia, yes, and also as a Butun, so I SHS. Sister, my mommy, you know, the sister, I made you couldn't cry, Jana, Jamie, me may be a school cramp, me no minute, so me my I know, if I see the MVP, and I got a home here, you who was the former the school. Now, me baby, just but not just can just on someone. Not one of my friend, and I'll be the letter, and I'm making a phone where I sit up and I'm a sister share. Not time, can come, I'm me more.
Honorable Kennedy Ajapon, respectfully, you are not a man bigger than anybody. You are not a man more than anybody. You have 2 balls, just as all of us have 2 balls. It's not about ranting, it's not about intimidation, it's not about noise. That thing you did in the last election, and we forgave you. We are not going to forgive you this time. If you bring fooling to these primaries, we are going to bring the same thing. We are going to match you with it. The youth of the NPP are tired of your noises. Just a simple primary, and you are saying what? You cannot let us have primaries in peace. You are busy advertising that you can collapse NPP, and to whose disadvantage? To whose disadvantage? You are the biggest beneficiary of Kufo and Akufo's administration. Do I get contracts? I've never even gotten an appointment. Let us destroy the party. Who help you to destroy the party? And to whose disadvantage? Stop the ranting. The youth of this party are tired of you. Stop the ranting. Nobody is threatening you and you are busy. I will show them who. Are you a man than anybody? On election they come and bring this your fooling again. Showdown. Who give you showdown? We are not in power again. Oh. We are not. We can destroy. We can help you destroy the party. Me, I've never gotten appointments. But this man is, he and his people are trying to, drag down the NPP, trying to, hold the NPP at ransom. We are not going to allow you. This your, showdown. I'm a man. You are not a man than anybody. You are not a man than anybody in the NPP. So stop the ranting. On 31st January, the youth of this party will show you the price of ignorance. The youth of this party, the delegates of this party will show you the price of betrayal. You say that you are a snitch. You say that you are going to hold the NPP at ransom. You are not going to give us peace of mind. On 31st of January, you see your smoothness level. The youth of this party will speak.